Hello students, today we are going to see the remaining problems in the chapter numbers. Let us see the book example. Example 1.21. Express 4 power minus 5 as a power with the base 2. Let us see the solution for this question. Before that, 4 can be written as 2 square because 2 square equal to 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. So we can write 4 as 2 square. Then write the question 4 power minus 5. 4 power minus 5 equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. So we have to write 2 square. Instead of 4, you have to write minus 5 on the top. That means in power. In this case, you have to use a law here. A power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. You have to use the appropriate law in each question because it gets 1 mark, so don't waste it. By using this law, it can be written as 2 power 2 into minus 5. Then we have to multiply 2 into 5. 2 power minus plus into minus equal to minus. 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 2 power minus 10. Next we are going to see the another book example. Example 1.22. Simplify and write the answer in exponential form. First subdivision, 3 power 5 divide 3 power 8 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. Second subdivision, minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. Let us see the solution for these two questions. Let us see the solution for this question. We have to write this in division. 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. Look at here, it is in division. In this case, we are going to use a law here. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Because of this law, it can be written as 3 power 5 minus 8, where a equal to 3, m equal to 5 and n equal to 8 into 3 power minus 5. 3 power 5 minus 8 equal to minus 3. Don't forget to write the power here. There is a power 5 into 3 power minus 5. In this situation, you have to use another one law. A power m the whole power n equal to a power m into n. By using this, it can be written as 3 power minus 3 into 5 into 3 power minus 5. So 3 power 5 3s are 15 minus 15 into 3 power minus 5. Look at here. The bases are equal, the powers are not equal. In this case, we are going to use the multiplication law. That means product law here. That is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So it is a product law we are going to use here. 3 power minus 5 plus minus 15 plus minus 5. It can be written as 3 power minus 20. We got 3 power minus 20. In this case, we are going to use another one formula. That means law. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power plus m. This law we are going to use here. Here the value of a is 3 and the value of m is 20. So it can be written as, by the law, 1 by 3 power 20. This is the answer for this question. Let's find out the solution for the second subdivision. First write the question. Next we are going to use a law here. A by b the whole power m equal to a power m divided by b power m. We are going to use this law here. So it can be written as minus 3 power 4 into 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. Next step, look at the power. It is a even number. So minus sign will become plus. So minus 3 power 4 will become plus 3 power 4. When we divide 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 4, it will become 1. So the answer is 5 power 4. Next we are going to see the another book example 1.23. Find x so that minus 7 power x plus 2 into minus 7 power 5 equal to minus 7 power 10. Let us see the solution for this question. Write the question first. Look at the two bases. The bases are equal. It is in multiplication. So we are going to use product law here. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. When we use product law, it will become here a equal to minus 7, m equal to x plus 2, where n equal to 5. When we use this law, it will become minus 7 power x plus 2 plus 5 equal to minus 7 power 10. We can add these two numbers. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Write the remaining. Then see, since the bases are equal, so we can equate the exponents. Therefore, x plus 7 equal to 10. When we transpose plus 7 into right side, it will become minus 7. So x equal to 10 minus 7. So the value of x equal to 3. The value of x is 3. This is the answer for this question. Now we are going to learn standard notation and scientific notation. Let us take a number 123. It is a standard form and it can be written as in scientific notation 1.23 into 10 to the power 2. In scientific notation, we use the form number into 10 to the power a number. The power is a integer. It may be positive or negative. To convert a whole number into a scientific notation, you have to put a dot after the first number. You have to put it here. So it will become 1.23 into, we have to write 10 to the power something number here. Let us see, if you put a dot here, there is two numbers after the dot. So you have to write 2 on the top. So the scientific notation is 1.23 into 10 to the power 2. If you want to write this number in scientific notation, let us write 1.23047 into 10 to the power. You have to count how many numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5 here. If the given number is a decimal number, then it can be written as 1.34 into, we have put a dot here. Let us count how many numbers in between 1, 2. There are 2 numbers. So we have to write 10 to the power minus 2. Because for a natural number, there is a 0 in the last. It can be written as 123.0. This 0 goes to left side. So it will become positive. In this case, this dot goes to right side. So it will become negative. So we can write 10 to the power minus 2. Let us see the next book example 1.24. Write in scientific form. First subdivision is 1642.398. Let us see the solution. Look at here. There is a dot. It goes to left side. So it can be written as 1.642398 into 10 to the power. The power will be a positive integer because this dot goes to left side. How many numbers it passes? There are 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 on the top. So this is the answer for this question. For the second question, you have to multiply the numbers first 7 into 5.2 and then you have to find the value of the exponents 10 square into 10 to the power 7. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1 equal to 36. You have to put a dot here. So it will become 36.4 into 10 to the power. Look at here. The bases are equal. So we can use product law here. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 2 plus 9. The answer will be 36.4 into 10 to the power 9. The dot should be after the first number. So it can be written as 3.64 into 10 to the power. One place it has been moved. So we have to write 9 plus 1. So the answer is 10 power 10. So we have to write the answer 3.64 into 10 power 10. This is the answer for this question. The same we have to use for the last sum. 3.7 into 2 equal to 7 to 14, remaining 1. 3 to 6, 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 7.4 into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 3. It can be written as 7.4 into 10 power minus 8 because of product law. Because of product law, the bases are equal. So we have to add the powers. It will become 10 power minus 8. So the answer is 7.4 into 10 power minus 8. Let us see the next book example 1.25. Write in standard form. First question is 2.27 in 10 to the power minus 4. Let us see the solution. The 10 to the power is minus 4. It is a negative integer. So the standard form starts from 0. Point. Then look at the power. There is minus 4. If there is a number 4, you have to write 3 zeros here. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to write the number 227. This is the answer for this question. Let us see the answer for another question. 8.357 in 10 to the power minus 3. Look at the power. It is a negative integer. So we have to start from 0. Point. The power is 3. So we have to write 2 zeros here. 1, 2. Then we have to write the numbers 8, 3, 5, 7. This is the answer for this question. Third subdivision. Light travels at 1.86 into 10 to the power 5 miles per second. We are going to write it in standard form. Look at the power. It is a positive integer. So this number can be written as 186. There is a power 5. And look at this number. There are 2 numbers. That means 2 units. 2 units after the dot. If you subtract 2 from 5, there is 3. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So we have to leave. We have to write 3 zeros here. This is the answer for this question. 186,000. That means 1,86,000.